Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to do multi-frame analysis of Alembic Pharma to arrive on a swing trading target. Right now, you can see weekly chart of the stock. I am going to draw a horizontal line. I hope it is visible to you. And one thing that is striking out is number of long wick candles on the lower side on the support level. There was also a longish candle in the current peak. This implies that there is a decent demand available on this particular level of what is the level 870 to 875, and this is solidified by the fact that the volume activity has been drying out on the support level. If I go to daily chart, let me zoom in a bit, and as soon as I zoom in, can you spot a channel here? This is a channel. This is a low of the channel, and one thing that is pretty apparent here, the low is getting higher, which means that the accumulation process on the support level has begun in full force. The volume activity is rising for bullish candle, and this accumulation has made lot of buyers who are watching it from the sideline to enter into the stock, and hence we can see this long range bullish candle. Also, one thing which you can see on the daily chart is I can draw a trend line. Let me show that to you. This is a trend line. So if you couple with a channel pattern, a trend line, we have two candlestick price action strategy, or whatever you want to call it. So which means that the breakout from, again I'm going to zoom in, from the level of 881 was inevitable, and that is what materialized in the Friday session. There is a huge or a long range bullish candle. So one tip for you guys, try to combine different factors. For example, if you see inside day bar, and if you again see a channel pattern, then you have two factors which are pointing towards a particular outcome, whether the price is going to go up or go down. In case of Alembic Pharma, this channel pattern and the trend line, the confluence of these two things was pointing towards a bullish momentum, and that is what happened. On the hourly chart, we can also see one more channel pattern, though there are longish wick on the upper side, but as I told you, and I have also made a video on how we can use the wick on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So what happens is that there is a pressure, the wicks here, the longish wick on the upper side, they indicate selling pressure. So once the stock price goes above that, in this case about 930, and the stock price or the volume activity also increases as a result of breakout, we are going to see a decent bullish momentum. And looking at the daily chart, I cannot see any hindrance to the price, unless, can you see this 930? I forgot to tell you the reason for the wick in the Friday session was there is a supply zone at 930. We can call it pressure from sellers. So if price goes above 930, we should easily see 950. Let me draw that out. So this is 950, and I do not see any other level before 985 or even 1000 in Alembic Pharma. So first level is 931 on the back of rising volume. After that, there is a decent uh, supply zone at 950, and after that the level of 980 is attracting lot of sellers. We can see multiple long range bearish candle. So based on this analysis, I have chalked out these levels as you can see in front of your screen. The entry is 931. I have given stop loss of 3 rupees. One thing which I am going to repeat, and I always emphasize in my videos, keep on trailing your stop loss. If you have any questions regarding Alembic Pharma or any other stock in general, please ask your question in the comment box below. Thank you for watching.